I'm from Israel. I arrived to Barcelona this August. I arrived to CREAL to do a research work on environmental epidemiology. I'm working on chemical exposures and obesity. I arrived to CREAL because this is one of the best research centers worldwide. I do not speak Catalan, unfortunately, yet. But my kids going to a public school, Mas Casanova, it's near our home, and they have a very interesting integration program when they take the kids out and they teach them Catalan, and they have a very nice teacher who is teaching them, and they now speak Catalan. My son speaks Catalan and doesn't speak Spanish almost. But my daughter speaks Catalan, and she also speaks Spanish because the other kids who immigrated from different countries, they speak Spanish. The most favorite part in Barcelona for me, except the Collserola, is the Ciutadella Park. I love it very much. There are so many nice people there. My favorite city in all Spain, and one of the favorite places, I'm not a big expert in all cities, but Barcelona. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's rich, it's tasty, it's full of colors, it's full of nice people. This August I'm finishing my research period, and I think that the most fun thing is that I hope, and I have a feeling that I will be back to Barcelona. So, see you.